My favorite personal blender of all time just got a massive upgrade. Now, in addition to getting the personal blender with the cups, you can also get the spice grinder and food processor. So this small blender can provide you with all of your blending and food processing needs. Now, I've had this blender for over 6 months. And I love this so much. It has these little sticky feet so it stays in place. And I love how small it is, as I keep this in a cupboard and I just pull it out every morning as I use this daily for my smoothies. It comes with different cups. You got your handle cup and your regular cup. And then it has these great sharp blades that hook on to the blender's gears right here, and then just spin this piece. You'll just put it on whatever cup you use, put it down, and then you just wait till it kind of hooks into place. Sometimes it takes a second, and then it just locks into place. And when it's plugged in, it has 2 touch lights on the front. The top one, when you press that, it's going to run for 90 seconds straight unless you come back and press it again to turn it off. And the bottom button is a pulse button, so you can hold that down, and when you let go of your finger, it'll stop. This has a 1200 watt motor, and I cannot tell you how impressed I have been with it, not only for making my morning smoothies, but also for making a variety of dips and marinades. This is the blender I reach for. I love it so much. So I was thrilled when they added these 2 additional pieces. As with these, this is truly the perfect blender. So Nutribullet just added this grinder, and it has a different metal interior so it won't get scratched up when you grind spices or coffee in it. Same with this element. It does have some plastic, it's see-through at the top, but the majority of it, where the pieces of spice are going to be slamming, are all metal. All of this you can throw in the dishwasher. So this one, just fill it up, lock it into place, same thing, lock it on, you're good to go. Then you have your food processor. This is the coolest food processor. I used to have a big brand food processor. It took a ton of space. It finally broke. I haven't bothered to get a new one just because I didn't want another big piece of machinery. And while this piece is still relatively large, I love that it's using my existing blender. Now it has the top push point so you can push the food in. It actually has little teeth so it'll really hook to whatever you're pushing down into it. And then this whole top locks into place, and when you undo it, it has 2 different elements. You have your shredder, which you can keep on or just take off. And then you have this incredible multi-blade element that's going to be a much better choice for food processing. From here on, I will definitely be using this for my marinades, my sauces, my dips. While this was working well, sometimes I couldn't tamp everything down into it, whereas this will do it all no problem. And if I'm just looking to shred food, I can just stick this piece on and then shred away. So not only is this an exceptionally compact system that gives you everything you need, it truly is a 3-in-1 system, but it is exceptionally powerful. I cannot tell you how impressed I am with this blender. But let me tell you 2 more things that'll help you make a more informed decision. The first one is that this is a very loud blender. It has that super strong engine. Maybe it's just because it's such a small device with all that power. Keep that in mind. This can get pretty loud, especially depending on what you're grinding in it. And the second point is that it is relatively compatible with the Nutribullet SmartSense blender. I also have this blender. It has a larger pitcher and it has the exact same blade base as the Nutribullet Ultra does, so it's fully swappable. It means I actually have 2 of these and more cups, and this works with the grinder too, so I can lock that into place as well. But for some reason, it does not want to lock the food processor in. I think it's because the food processor is actually designed to specially lock into the Ultra, so it doesn't work with that. I just think this is an interesting bit of information if you have other Nutribullet devices. And while in this video I am talking about the full Nutribullet Ultra set that includes the cups and the grinder and the food processor, I did get this originally separately with just the cups, and you can just get the simpler set and add these on later like I did. So however this best suits you, this is one impressive blender that I swear is my absolute favorite, and I will continue using for as long as I possibly can, and I will make a video when it finally breaks on me. The Nutribullet Ultra is incredible as long as you don't mind that it makes nice loud blender noises. It's a fantastic blender.